Right, if you're ready to go, you're going to put your hands up. Who wants to go? Say, I'm ready.